Welcome to YouTube channel. So click on subscribe, like, share, comment. So today you teach you how to see the beehive that is hanging on the some trees like bamboo trees or papyrus or eucalyptus. So my beehive it is better for you producing honey and some medicine that is come from your honey. So my business for making the beehive it is a good job. So you providing some money that you come from for solding a bee or you sold a honey. So my beehive is cleaned so you producing some money that come from you selling a bees and a beehive and honey. Though so it is a good business. So thank you for watching this video. So